What's up? I'm back and it's I'm standing today. Look at that. You may have noticed I have worse quality video and also audio. Well, that's because Today, I realized I need to get to work on some things. I have been working on some things, gotta do more work on some things, namely what's sitting in front of me, this big box of garbage. It's a birthday present for my sister. And so, yeah. So here's this box and what I'm dealing with. This is the top plate for this speaker that I'm building. These are nice 3D printed little speaker dudes. My friend Jack 3D printed for me. And then I went and built this body here. It still needs a lot of work. Obviously these are... No, wait, that's fine. Yeah, I forgot that's fine. I'm doing like that stuff. Basically, these are gonna sit in here. And yeah. The best thing though is that I got these little speakers and this amplifier here out of some Boston Acoustics speakers that are over here that I found at Goodwill for $5. And I ripped them apart, got the amplifier and the speakers and stuff. What I gotta do is I gotta take this thing off, take that off, move it, take the potentiometer off, move it, same with the LED. So this thing will be replaced with just hard wire because that is the input to the left-hand speaker, which is literally just a coaxial cable, and going into like the speaker output things there. So should be a super simple project. But more updates tomorrow when I go to the wood shop at my dad's house. Whoa, it's multiple days later. I did everything at the wood shop that I needed to do. Got really messy in there just because the 3D printed parts, when you can sand them or you can just take it off kind of in layers. And so I've taken off a lot of layers of those things, getting everything to fit in there. Finished these little side doodads, so we got some weird looking joints. Just gluing the top on right now. I got the amplifier and everything in the body sitting right there. This is the input for the 12 volt DC. There's a little LED there. And then this guy is just, well, it's attached to an aux cord. But yeah, so it's gluing up. When that's done, I will sand everything up and get it polished and whatnot, and that'll be good. What's up? So I'm back at the wood shop here at my dad's house, and I have this now almost done. I just finished sanding all of the sides down, so they're nice and flush. Let's see if I can grab this and show it to you. Everything's really nice and no seams, and everything's all very smooth as well. The video got cut short, but this is ready to have the sides. All of them are really sharp, so I'm gonna just kind of sand them down a little bit. I do kind of like the look of the sharp edges, but I don't want somebody to end up hurting themselves. So just gonna take probably this sandpaper right here. Just sand down these edges, make them a little bit more smooth, and then I will apply a nice oil coat to the whole thing, which won't affect the timbre of the speaker, so that'll be good. And I want to videotape that because I'm sure it's gonna make this wood look beautiful. It's all smooth, feels good to the touch. Got some brand new mineral oil here. Oh. Welcome to POV. Justin fucks up everything. Okay, well. That's looking good. Wipe off this handle. I mean, that's really awesome.
Start from zero, got nothing to lose, and never make something. And me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here, then looking at the convenience store. And it saves a little bit of money, you won't have to drive too far.